In this video, I'll show you how to fix chat disabled in Roblox. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. If you're trying to chat with other players in Roblox but the chat isn't showing or it's disabled, here's what you can do. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings. From the menu, on the left-hand side, click Privacy or Content Restrictions. In the Communication section, look for the Experience Chat option. Now, make sure both Experience Chat and Direct Chat are set to everyone. If they're set to no one, change them to everyone. After making the change, you should see a Settings Saved Successfully message at the top. That's it. You should now be able to use the chat feature in Roblox. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides.